What if I told you in just 9 minutes a day you could transform your LinkedIn into a networking powerhouse? If you're struggling to grow your LinkedIn, you're not sure what to do or where to post, then this video is for you. My name's David Coslett. I'm the co-founder of a social media agency. We grew it from 0 to 6 figures in 12 months and employed a team of 5 people around me to help me do it. And on this channel specifically, I bring you marketing strategies, tips to grow your revenue, because I'm a big believer that if we initiate the right marketing activities and strategies, then that will grow your revenue. So I get it. Building a LinkedIn presence can feel overwhelming. You don't know where to begin. It's so daunting. How do I connect, find, search, post content, all that stuff? So where do you start? So one of the things that I've learned over the last 2 years of posting consistently on LinkedIn and generating over 40,000 impressions in 30 days is that you can have a big impact with a small amount of time and activity if you do the right things. You don't need hundreds of hours and weeks or days. You just need 9 minutes a day. And in this video, I'm going to talk you through exactly what you can do in those 9 minutes. So here's how it works. Okay, you're going to spend 9 minutes a day engaging with 9 people in 4 ways. The first thing you're going to do is find 9 creators in your space, people of authority on LinkedIn that you can engage with. You're going to put them into a list. Then you're going to find 9 posts that you can add value to, that are relevant, that you can comment and engage on. Then you're going to actually do the engaging. So you're going to comment on these 9 posts, and you're not going to say, love this, nice post, great work. You're going to put something meaningful in there. Okay, you're going to actually consume the post, you're going to read it, digest it, and then respond with thought and feeling in your tone of voice, in your language, as if you would say it out loud. And then you're going to like and react to 9 posts. Okay, this helps you stay relevant, it gives support and engages other content creators on the platform. And then finally, you're going to send 9 connection requests, and these are going to be to people that you've targeted, that you've searched for, that you want to work with. Okay, if you're anything like me, you're a business owner, you want to connect with other business owners because they're the decision maker, they're the people that you want to work with. Okay, so you're going to search for them, you're going to send 9 meaningful connections every single day. So why does this work, David, you might ask me? Well, the LinkedIn algorithm rewards the engagement, and so does your audience. Okay, so when you comment on somebody else's posts, that will show up in your feed and your audience will see that you've commented or you've engaged with this post. So if you're smart, you'll comment on the people's posts and content that have the audience that you want. Now that you know this information, you've got to leverage the 9x4 rule. And by doing this, it helps you stay top of mind for those creators, the authority, the leaders in the space. It also helps position you as credible, as human, as a source of information to rely on. And then finally, thoughtful connections builds trust and builds relationships over a period of time. Bonus tip, if you sign up to useaware.co, you can create custom lists on there. So you can use the platform to have all your creators, all your people in one place, and you don't need to chop and change from profile to profile. You can actually stay on the platform, use it, comment, engage all in one place. The LinkedIn ecosystem is all about give and take. Okay, you can't post and then run. You have to spend time engaging on the platform. Engage with others, comment, use the reactions, how you can kind of react to people's posts, and then send connection requests so you're growing your network and your audience. You want to follow Gary Vee's formula of jab, 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 right hook. Okay, give, right? Give some value, and then ask for something. So based on everything you've watched today, I challenge you to set a timer for 9 minutes a day. Follow the 9x4 rule and see how many conversations it sparks. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, smash that subscribe button, and I look forward to growing your LinkedIn.